Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. It is new radio day. I'm loving it. Icom has announced the ID-50a for America, 50e for Europe markets, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty good radio. The ID-52 looks like the big brother, big sister to this. It is a color screen where this one is a monochrome screen. Let's take a look at some of the features here. It's going to be a 5-watt transceiver. It's going to be able to receive from 88 to 174 and then 375 up to 479. Guaranteed range, 144, 148, 440 through 450. So it has 2 meter, 70 centimeter definitely, and then they are adding into that the ability to do some kind of wide band receive, which is fantastic. It's a VHF, UHF, airband, and FM broadcast receiver. 500 channels, IPX7 waterproof rating. So they haven't figured out what the waterproof rating is going to be quite yet. It has GPS built in, which is fantastic. Dual watch, a large full dot LCD show. Okay, waterfall display. That's kind of funny. I was going to say they're doing a waterfall and monochrome and then a large full what? So yeah, large full dot LCD display. It'll show you a waterfall, which is nice. Actually, I looked at the waterfall on the ID-52. I think it's really neat looking, and it's probably going to be the same thing, just not in color. The share picture function is going to be pretty neat. You'll be able to send pictures between the 905, the 705, the 52, the 50, using an Android app attached to it. And I got to tell you, people who have Apple iPhones, what I would recommend for ham radio purposes, go down to Walmart, get yourself a $25 throwaway Android phone, and just keep it as a ham radio phone only and use it for like APRS Droid or for this application here for sending pictures back and forth. There's a large variety of Android-based ham radio apps out there, so it's totally worth like the $25 investment. You can go out and get a more expensive one if you want, don't get me wrong, but like you can literally get into this market for like 25 bucks, no problem at all. Built-in GPS, easy D-Star settings. I would hope it has easy D-Star settings because this is one of the only companies that does D-Star right now, so definitely a good idea for them to get it right. Multifunction USB Type-C port. Is this going to be our first radio with Type-C? It does not support PD. You can do slow charging but not fast charging is what that means. It'll do charging, PC programming. It would be real nice if this thing had a built-in sound card that came over the USB interface so you could use it as a TNC right out of the box. That would be fantastic. VHF, airband, and FM broadcast receiver, DV, FM repeater search function, DV fast data mode, micro SD card slot, 750 megawatts, 750 milliwatt loud audio, voice recording function, external DC power jack, and then compatible batteries, weather channels. So between the 705, the 51A, the 52A, and the 50A, you can now share all of the batteries. So that's going to be pretty interesting. I wonder why they went backwards in numbers back to 50 instead of like 53. I guess 53 would make you think it's better than the 52, but 51 makes me think the 51 is better than the 50. I don't know. We'll have to see where this pans out as the future progresses. They made this release just in front of the 2023 Dayton Hamvention. Hopefully, when we get to Dayton, we'll be able to get one in our hands. So stay tuned for that, and I am interested in this for sure. Don't know the price yet, so I can't share any pricing information with you, but as soon as I have some information on it, I will be sure to let you all know. Just wanted to get this quick announcement out to you on the Icom ID-50a. There is a video right up here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.